So hello everyone. In this video we will talk about the looping statement in C programming language. So before starting the looping, first we will see the three basic questions. So the first one is why do we need looping? Second one is what is looping? And third one is how we can use the looping statements. So let us go one by one and we will see the answer to these three basic questions. The first thing is why do we need looping statement? So looping statement is used, if I have to say in very simple terms. So if you have to execute any particular set of statement multiple times, then we use looping statement. So let me write that execute. So same set of statement can be executed using looping. You cannot execute different statement using the looping. So if same statement are getting repeated, that for that we can use looping. So execute same set of statement and it should be multiple times, right? Should be multiple times. So if you have to execute one time, looping is not required. But if we want to execute same set of statement multiple times or more than one time, we make use of looping statement, which is given by us by the C programming language. So we will see the example how we can execute and what is the need of executing same set of statement particular set of statement multiple times when we will go to the example. Now let us see what is looping. So there are two types of looping statement. So let me write from here. So we have two type of looping control statement. So first one is entry controlled loop. So first one is entry control loops and second one is exit control loops. So entry control loop, the difference between entry control loops and exit control loops is that, so in entry control loop the condition will be checked when the control enters to the loop, right? And in the exit control loop the condition will be checked when the control is going out from the loop, when the control is exiting from the loop, right? So this is the difference. So in entry controlled loop we have two types. So first one is for loops and second one is while loops. So I hope many of you have heard what is for loops and while loops. And in exit control loop we have only one type of loop. So that is do while loops. Sorry for this one. Okay, so we have two type of loops, entry control loops and exit control loop. The difference between entry control and exit control is that in entry control loop the condition will be checked when the control is going into the loop, right? And exit control loop when the control is moving out from the loop. So this is the difference. And so this is very important point. There are three important parts in the loop. Only three parts are there in the loop. The first part is initialization. So second part is condition and third part is updation. So third part is updation. So these are the only three parts of the loop. So the difference between entry control loop, or you can say that for loop, while loop, so for loop, while loop and do while loop is only the place where these three statements are placed. So these three statements will be there in all the loop. What make it different from the other loop is the place where these three statements will be placed. So we will see one by one when we will go through the particular looping statement how these statements are placed in different loops. So just remember this point. So this is very important. Only these three statements will be there in all the loops, but at different places in different loops will be there. That makes them different, right? And that makes the use also different. Now, so what also we have seen, what is loops also we have seen, why do we need loops also we have seen. Now we will go to our third question and last question, how we can use the looping. So that question, because we have three different type of loop and all the three loop have different syntaxes. So we will see syntax of all the three loops when we will visit the particular loops. when we will go through the loops one by one. So uh, this is about the loops, introduction to loop. If you have any doubt with respect to this video, you can just mention in the comment section. We will look back, we will look into it as soon as it is possible for us.